Let me introduce you to my Janet's Family Favorite Recipe Cookbook. I created this cookbook for my family members in hopes that our recipes will carry on through generations. It's going to be a real special book. It was all handmade, and I have very special recipes that people have since passed on. But I bought this cookbook from the Cookbook people. Very pleased with it. It's a beautiful book. And as you can see, I've just completed it. And I got the sheet protectors, and they're perfect. So you don't want to use any other ones because they may not fit to the pages. I love the tabs because they absolutely hold everything that I was made on my recipe cards. So really pleased with how it turned out. The book makes it even more special. Really excited. I'm going to be giving these out on Mother's Day to all my nieces and nephews that contributed toward helping me put these recipes together. So really excited. Some of these recipes were secret recipes that were carried down through some of my family that wouldn't give in, and they finally gave in. So we have some real special recipes in here. We have some that were people who passed on that were handwritten on their own stationery, which makes it very, very special. I have some some more. I focused on some of the people in my cookbook that I featured their profession and what they do. Kind of made it interesting. He likes to fish, so I got him the fish background paper. Really interesting. Love the book. Should be really excited. The kids all. Here's my Aunt Lily. This recipe is over 60 years old, and I still make this today. The Texas pecan cake, really, really good. So thank you, Cookbook people, for making this a really special gift for my family.